ఆసియాలోని అతిపెద్ద పౌర విమానయాన ప్రదర్శన వింగ్స్ ఇండియాకు హైదరాబాద్ వేదికైంది. ఈ నెల 28న బేగంపేట ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లో ఈ కార్యక్రమం ప్రారంభమైంది. రేపటితో ఈ కార్యక్రమం ముగియనుంది. వింగ్స్ ఇండియాలో భారత్ సాధించిన వృద్ధిని చూపించడమే ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం. అలాగే ప్రపంచ విమానయాన భవిష్యత్తు ఎలా ఉండబోతుందన్నది కూడా వింగ్స్ ఇండియాలో ప్రదర్శిస్తున్నారు. హెలికాప్టర్లు, డ్రోన్లు, అత్యాధునిక విమానాలు ప్రత్యేక ఆకర్షణగా నిలిచాయి.
ఇండియా 2020 సమ్మిట్లో ఈరోజు సెకండ్ డే రన్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం చూసుకోవచ్చు, మనతో పాటు డైమండ్ DA40 NG పైలట్ ఉన్నారు. సో ఆయనతో మాట్లాడి దాని డీటెయిల్స్ తెలుసుకుందాం. సో హాయ్, వేర్ ఆర్ యూ ఫ్రమ్?
I am from Punjab.
Okay.
Good afternoon first of all, and I came along with this aircraft by flying. This is Diamond DA40 NG 4-seater aircraft. It is made fully of carbon composite fibers, and it has a fuel capacity of 147 liters, and it can go up to 1700 kilometers in one go, and it has maximum cruising speeds of 285 km per hour at 85% power, and it is mainly used for training purposes.
So only for the training purpose?
In India, it is mainly used for the training purposes. We can also use it for the private purposes, but like in country like USA, it is used as private purposes.
So what is the best of this flight?
Yeah, it contains a glass cockpit, fully computerized cockpit, and yes, it contains Garmin G1000 NXi with FedEx system, one lever system. Yeah.
So what is the best of it when compared to other flights?
So it is very efficient in terms of fuel consumption, and also it have a good cruising speed, and it is made of composite fiber, so it is totally safe to fly, we can say. Yeah.
Okay, so like how many hours we can travel in it?
You can travel non-stop for 8 to 9 hours. Yeah, in one go.
So in terms of safety, what will you say about it?
Yeah, in terms of safety, we like it is made of composite fiber, so it does not broke down easily in mid-flight.
So when in the emergency situation, so what is the escape situation for it?
We have different procedures for different emergencies actually. Yeah.
Thank you. So how are you feeling to join in this summit?
Yeah, I am feeling grateful to be here, and I'm glad to see so many aircrafts, and I have got chance to meet many peoples, many personalities. Yeah.
So what do you want to say about the summit?
This, yeah. So yeah, weather is little hot here, and this show is good.
సో మొత్తంగా చూసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఇది వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ డైమండ్ DA40 NGగా చెప్తున్నారు. సో ఇక్కడ ఇతను ఏదైతే ట్రైనీగా ఇక్కడ పర్స్యూ చేస్తున్నాడు, లైక్ ఎలా చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది. అయితే దీన్ని ఎక్కువగా ప్రైవేట్ ట్రావెల్స్కి లేదు, అంటే ఏదైనా ట్రైనింగ్ పర్పస్కి ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. నార్మల్గా అయితే ఇది యూజ్ చేయరని తెలుస్తుంది. సో మొత్తంగా చూసుకుంటే అయితే ఈరోజు సెకండ్ డే బిజినెస్ డీల్స్ అయితే ఎక్కువగా జరుగుతున్నాయని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. నిన్న ఈరోజు బిజినెస్ డీల్స్ ఉంటాయి, రేపటి నుంచి వచ్చేసి నార్మల్ పీపుల్కి ఎంట్రీ ఉంటుంది. ప్రజెంట్ మనం ధ్రువ్ NG హెలికాప్టర్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము. ఇది వచ్చేసి నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్ హెలికాప్టర్. దీన్ని సివిల్ పర్పస్లో అలాగే ఏదైనా ఎమర్జెన్సీ పర్పస్లో కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. మనతో పాటు రాజీవ్ పైలట్ ఉన్నారు, ఆయనతో మాట్లాడి దీని డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ సార్, వేర్ ఆర్ యూ ఫ్రమ్?
Hi, we have come from Bangalore, HAL Bangalore. There is where we manufacture these helicopters there at Bangalore only.
Okay. So like can you explain about this helicopter?
So this is a civil next generation helicopter. Mainly for civil variant, we have changed the glass cockpit as compared to a military helicopter. The engine and the airframe is as good as a military helicopter. The performance handling quality is same as the military helicopter. However, because of civil certification, we have changed the glass cockpit to Genesis. It is a more versatile glass cockpit where we have warning for terrain. We can do various navigation features are available. It is coupled to the autopilot, so we can fly hands off from here to any place and get into a letdown of a VOR, ILS or a RNP also, which is the latest letdown, which is there in other.
So can we go inside and sit there and we'll talk?
Yeah, please, you can take inside. You can go inside.
యా ప్లీజ్ లోపలికి వెళ్దాం, లోపలికి వెళ్ళి కూడా కూర్చొని అక్కడ ఉన్న ఒకసారి అన్నీ చూద్దాం రండి. సార్ కెన్ యూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ఇట్?
Okay, so this is the four glass cockpit, which I said is different from the military version, mainly because these are civil certified and can be used for civil application. It is more friendly. It helps the pilot. It offloads the pilot when flying with these cockpits. So these, I just will switch on these so that you have a better idea. So you have various pages. You can have the nav page. You can have the engine page. You can use the artificial horizon for flying. So they are all coupled to the autopilot, which is here, which you can do an height hover. When you're hovering, you can do an hover hold, altitude hold, airspeed, nav hold. So everything, all possible things which offloads pilot is available. It is as good as an airlines which you all fly. The feel also is that. Only thing is because of the speed and the height limitations. As compared to airlines, we are like helicopter would be utilized like that only. And it can do all the roles what a civil helicopter requires. All the roles are capable. Presently, we are doing customer demo with 6 VIP seats, and you can see how beautifully it's flying.
So like what is the maximum time we can use this one?
So it has got enough endurance of close to 3 hours 30 minutes. It's got range of 630, close to 630 kilometers. So these ranges endurance are such that any civil application is possible. And most importantly, it is an indigenous helicopter. It is most of the things are Indian. We have tried to keep it to Indian. Our aim is to reach 100% Indian. But whatever is possible through various Indian companies, we are integrating in this helicopter.
So what are the measures you are taking for the safety in terms of like we are seeing lot of helicopters are collapsing nowadays. So what are the measures you are taking?
We have, obviously there are accidents. However, I want to tell this is a very foolproof helicopter. These features which I have told you, which we have integrated, keeps it in case of bad weather, we have weather radar, which keeps you giving warning in case there is a bad weather. Or we have the latest nav which will help you come out of any unforeseen situation. So the glass cockpit is well versed to prevent any accident. Like we have a hover hold. So in case you enter a dust ball, just